Hello, friends. Today I am on a family trip. So we have just stopped at Gurudwara Shri Bipawar Sahib near Nangal town. This is Satluj River, and this Gurudwara is in memory of Guru Gobind Singh Ji, our 10th Guru. In this place, Guruji created Bani named Chaupai Sahib. This is a very peaceful, calm place. The river is calm here because it is near Nangal Dam. You must come here and take blessings of Guru. This is a nice place to visit. And today we are heading towards Palampur. We left our home at noon time, and we had the plan to visit Kangada Fort, but due to the travel sickness, we directly head to Palampur. And today is day 2, 27th October. We are on the way to Andreta, where is the pottery and Sobha Singh art gallery. So on the way we see this tea gardens, and workers are plucking the leaves. We just stopped on the way to click photographs, but this place is not as beautiful as Munnar in Kerala. This is the photos from my trip to Munnar in February few years back. So Munnar is beautiful, but again this Palampur tea gardens. Palampur is about 6-7 hours drive from Chandigarh. Roads are very good. In Palampur you can see Andreta pottery, Sobha Singh art gallery, Saurabh Ban Bihar, which is closed now. It will open soon. And tea gardens, Jakhani Mata temple, and tea factory, and few other spots are there if you like to see, like some parks are there. After that we head for Andreta pottery. This is the charges they charge to teach you about pottery and give you the tour of pottery, but we don't pay any charges there. We just go and we watch them making the utensils. So we spend about half an hour there watching them to make different utensils, and first they weigh the clay for a particular thing, then they start making on this electric chuck which is revolving. They are also selling these utensils. They have small showroom. I will show in the end of video. So for one piece they charge from 1000 to 2000 rupees depending on design, size and their hard work. So now we see this guy making a plate. After visiting Andretta Pottery, we went to Sobha Singh Art Gallery. These two places are very near to each other. They are about 12 kilometers from Palampur. These signboards are self-explanatory. This art gallery is closed on Mondays, and Sobha Singh was a very famous painter who made photos of our gurus, various kings and other famous persons. So ticket is 25 rupees for Indians and 100 rupees for foreigners. I have also attached the photo of ticket for more description. After that we went back to hotel for lunch. Then we go to Nagwil Cafe, which is also part of HP Tourism. This is also very good location. A small stream is flowing inside the campus of cafe. Location is very beautiful. They serve all type of food here, and also got 2-3 rooms for stay. After visiting cafe, we went for Jakhani Mata Temple, which is about 8-9 kilometers from Palampur, but roads are very narrow but still good. There is also one location called Saurabh Banbihar, which has got small lake, but this place was closed for maintenance. Maybe it will open back in December. Then we are passing through the villages of Palampur, which are very beautiful. So we were enjoying scenic journey towards Jakhani Mata Temple. After visiting Jakhani Mata Temple, we come back to hotel. Then In Palampur, we were staying at Hotel T-Bird, which is a HP tourism property, and I will say this place was very good for family stay. The campus has got very nice gardens, ground, jhulas for kids, and place is very clean, well maintained. Food is very good, and this location is also value for money. During this off season, this room we took, it was 4,000 rupees in season time, but now it's off season, so we had 40% discount, so we paid about 2,500 rupees for room rent for one night. So this is the room, double bed on one side and again one more double bed on other side, and room was very spacious. We spent 2 nights here. It was very comfortable here. 4 beds, wardrobe, sitting area, washroom, 1 dining table for 4 persons. I have checked out now and just came back to check again the room, and the guy is cleaning already. We really enjoyed the stay in this hotel, and I will recommend it that you come here and stay for your visit to Palampur. Now we are heading for Manali. I'm not shooting so many videos. I'm only covering the new things which are new to me. So I will compile them and post on YouTube. Thanks for watching.